Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to Animal Kingdom. We had wildly returned. We have Lightning Lane for Kilimanjaro Safari, which is what I still need to do. And then do the park a little bit more before, because this is our last day. So this is our last park of the week. And yeah, so let's enjoy this park one last time, shall we? So beautiful through here. Discovery Island. It's tough to be a bug this way. We are at Kilimanjaro Safari. You can tell that's the standby. This is this. And this side that we're on is on the Lightning.
As we say here in the Harambe, friends, we say Twande, which means let's go!
My name is Bree. I'll be your safari guide here through the Harambe Wildlife Reserve this morning. Now, my main priority is making sure that you guys, as well as the animals, are safe while we are out and about on the reserve. So with that being said, it is very important that you guys are made fully and completely seated out suddenly, and I want to make sure that nobody gets hurt, as it is very rough and very bumpy out there. So again, everybody must remain fully and completely seated. Out to the animals, please don't mimic any animal sounds or make sounds to them. If they want to come closer to the truck, they will. If they don't, they won't. And the best way for us to get those views while we're out and about is to make sure that we are not being super loud or making those sounds at the animals. Now, that being said, we can make our way into the Harambe Wildlife Reserve today. Now, we're going to be starting our adventures here in the Aturi Forest. Now, the Aturi Forest is home to animals who tend to be a little bit on legs. Now, a lot of people right off the bat, when they discovered the okapi, assumed that they were moving. As we're coming on into our left, we're going to be coming up on two black rhino, one near the mud wallow towards the back, but the other one that we're going to stop for is actually a little bit closer to you guys, so closer to the front of the truck. Now, they are related to the white rhino. The main difference is that they are significantly smaller than their cousins with the right. Of African painted dogs, not to be confused with hyena, as they are not related to hyena at all. They're actually more closely related to canine species, so think your pet dogs, wolves, and different animals like that. And Collie or Watusi cattle. There are also some sable or sable antelopes towards the back, as well as a species of giraffe here to your, or zebra, sorry, here to your left, called Hartman's Mountain. To your left, kind of hiding behind that tree there, is a species of giraffe. Here in Harambe, all of the giraffe species of these giraffes thought this looks pretty similar to the traditional dress that you guys wear. So that's where the Maasai giraffe get their name. Now, if you are not familiar with the Maasai tribes and how they are known for that beautiful pink color that they get, which they are actually not born with. Flamingos do get that vibrant pink color that they are known for, mainly from eating a shrimp called brine shrimp, which is rich in a protein called beta-carotene. And that is what gives them that pink color. So if you notice, if you ever see any flamingos that are lighter than others, some that may be a little bit more fluorescent pink, that just means that their diet of that brine shrimp is either a lot or just a little bit. But that is what gives them. Only needs to worry a little bit. There it is. He's like, wake up. He's like, I'm awake, so you have to be awake. Now, when lions roar at full volume, their roars can be heard from up to about 5 miles away. Pumbaa means foolish ones. Now, if you look at those dens or burrows in the ground there, they actually built them by themselves using their razor sharp tusks. They are the
giant alien eggplant.
So back at Pandora. What is over here? All right, as you can see, we got Lightning Lane 4, Flight of Passage. Yes. Thank you, Tony. So we're going to do this, and what's the other one we're going to do after this?
River Navi.
River Navi. And yeah, so here we go. Oh, it feels good right here. Which one are we entering? Which one are we entering?
Optimal. Machine levels look good.
60.
Important that you can all see me, so move a little if you can't. Before we send you to the link chamber, let's watch this piece by Dr. Ogden, who runs the program.
Welcome, everyone. I'm Dr. Jackie Ogden from the Pandora Cottage. Sivak Hope, rise to the challenge. Good luck.
Sivak, go.
All right, you ready? Let's get you into the link chamber.
Okay, everyone, you guys are going to be restrained at a height above the ground and the floor will move. If you have a fear of heights or burden of motion sickness or cannot remain seated for 4.5 minutes and would like to opt out, please let me know. 1 through 8 will be following me, 9 through 16 follow the last one.
Attention drivers, stow your gear on the back wall and then get onto the link chair the way we showed you in the video. Then put on your flight bag and supervise your children.
Last time we were in this section.
Durante toda esta experiencia deberán permanecer
Here we go.
sentados, inclinarse hacia adelante, agarrando
And I'll
las
be at
barras
number
y
1.
supervisar.
Hi. No, it's not up to the caliber of Jurassic World, but still a little version of Jurassic era. So we have lining lane for the ride that's back here, so we're going to go in and ride it. So he looks amused to see us. Look at that face. Yeah, he's like, huh? What are you guys doing here?
It's a blast. It's in the past.
Okay, look at this awesome exhibit. Carnotaurus. Thank you.
Welcome
Hi.
to Time Travel Orientation.
Thank you.
Hey.
Today, their bones approaches about to extinct. In a perfect blend of science.
So apparently we're going to go back in time because we have a mission. Yeah, it's all part of the Tree of Life up there. You see that?
Chili, the deadly chili and tarantula.
Folks, move over to your left-hand side if you're taking pictures. If you have a family. Grab your look out and pull it out. You need to have your drink finished before you enter.
Few moments. We ask that you please do not put your bug eyes on here in the lobby. The host of our show, Flip, will give you instructions when to do so once you're inside of our theater. Out of courtesy to our bugcast, we kindly ask that there be no photography or video recording during our production.
So it's tough to be a bug is a pretty cute little show that they put on underneath the Tree of Life, and kind of reminds us that we destroy all the bugs and we should just get along. You know what I mean? Like I keep saying. So anyways, that was pretty cute. So that's where we all came out of underneath the Tree of Life for that show. Pretty awesome. And don't on your way up there because I'm vlogging. Joe's favorite thing, the duckies.
They're a mess.
But then his other favorite thing, the flamingos. Haroon shark that moves around like a shark. Look at that.
Haroon shark catfish.
Ring-tailed lemur and 2 ducks. All right. So we're heading out of Animal Kingdom. We did what we can and what we wanted to do, what they wanted to do. So we had a good time. Now we're gonna head what we call home, the resort, freshen up, go have dinner, and then go back and get ready to leave tomorrow. So with that being said, I hope you like. I haven't been saying anything right lately, but I hope you like today's vlog. Joe, did you enjoy your time?
I had an amazing time at the magical place.
Every single time, right?
Every day you walk in, there's some new adventure. It's amazing. Love it.
The adventure of Mr. Shields. And that's to you.
Join the adventure.
Good morning. Good morning. It's 20 minutes until 10. I just left Joe and Tony over at Port Royale, which is the hub of the resort, because their bus is taking them to the airport at 10 o'clock. So I'm heading back to the car, going past our room and back to the car over in the Barbados area. Barbados. So just want to say that I had a really, really, really magical time here between the resort and the parks, and I thank them so very much for taking me along and making it special. So anyways, with that being said, thank you all for watching. Hope you like the Disney vlog series, and I will see you all soon.